Hello po Aquarius, welcome to your reading. So this is for your August the 10th to August the 12th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Kung hindi nyo po maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. So Aquarius, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Magsimula na tayo. Aquarius, ang nakikita ko dito parang merong gustong or nagpapahiwatig, no? Na either makipagbate or tapusin na natin tong gulong ito. Whether this is family, friendship, or romantic situation. It kind of make me feel that, parang merong isang nagpapakumbaba. This could be you, this could be your person. You can switch the energies, ano. Pwedeng ikaw yung binabasahan ko, pwedeng ikaw yung nandun sa kabilang side of the story. Pero parang sinabi niya dito, there is a realization or there is actually with the temperance an attempt, for me to reach out and probably make amends. So ang nakikita ko dito, medyo matagal-tagal din itong nangyaring separations between you and this person, no? Matagal-tagal kasi it takes time. The Treasure Island is na makikita naman natin, this is actually full of abundance, love, and surprises. Pero medyo mabagal, no? Itong, wag yun ang pansinin tong kuko ko kasi talagang naputol ang aking extensions. Anyway, mag-focus na lang tayo sa reading. Ayan, nakita ko din medyo nanuot ang kadumihan. With the Treasured Island, parang ito yung mabagal yung kanyang dating. Ang nakikita ko kasi, siguro it takes time to really heal the wounds. It really takes time for them to really understand na siguro meron din akong kasalanan. I have contributions why we ended up this way. Or probably ako no, it's either ako talaga yung may kasalanan why we ended up, no? The way that we are right now with the Queen of Wands, the Wheel of Fortune. So chances are maraming ding surprises itong taong ito when it comes to kapag nag-present na sila ng kanilang sarili, no? Whether this is through gifts, whether this is something that's really can and kumbaga yung enhancement ng ating senses, no? Something that we can taste, touch, smell, hear, feel, no? There's also something about submission. So parang oo, panalo ka. I'm going to give you the benefit of, acknowledgement. Gusto ko lang sabihin, it doesn't matter kung sino na yung nanalo, kung sino yung mali, ako na yung magpapakumbaba. There will be a brutal, honest conversation that's going to happen in here. I'm going to work things out. Siguro, what we can do, no, is to parang magkaroon tayo ng agreement, sa bawat isa. Ito yung gagawin ko, ito yung kaya kong gawin, ito hindi ko kayang gawin. Matatanggap mo ba? So ikaw, ganun ka rin ba? Para at least we can have these expectations of we agreed into this and we're gonna work on this, on our weaknesses, so that we can move forward into another level of commitment, right? With the Knight of Swords, the Stars, and the Four of Pentacles. What I am actually seeing in here is matagal din. Siguro there's something that sabihin natin si person is we place the person in a pedestal, no, Aquarius. Sabihin natin na medyo naging complacent si person, overconfident then as well. The reason being is because yun nga, naging sobrang generous natin when it comes to time, energy, effort. Four of Pentacles, the Ace of Wands, and the Four of Wands. So what I am seeing in here is the passion. Um, I think that there is something about home, place of home, um, sort of where both of you can truly sabihin natin ditong cohabitation is what I am truly seeing. Kind of like a best solution. Probably this person, like what I mentioned, has a gift of a home. Wow, sana all, no? Or probably giving you the key to my home, to his home, to her home. Para, you're welcome or you're welcome back, no? To our place. So there's something in here that this person is missing so much. I think that this person is very happy, or you're gonna give this person happiness when it comes to agreeing, saying yes. The Knight of Swords, I think that there is, parang meron dito sinasabi, nagalit lang ako kaya ako siya nasabi, but I don't truly mean it. I wish I could have not said it. Siguro hindi nangyayari itong separations na ito, no? Um, I think that there will be reconciliations for the both of you, Aquarius. Um, Someone is really working hard to gain back the happiness, and the happiness is you, no? So let's check here the emotion. This could be your emotion or your person's emotion. My beloved and I want you. Napaka-minimal, no, ng mga gustong sabihin. Actually, ang dami dito. Minsan may mga mahaba, pero parang mga one-liner ito, no? My beloved and I want you. So, parang hindi na natin kailangan pang hapahabain itong um, usapan na ito. Isa lang ang gusto ko. I want you back or I want you, and walang iba naman sa puso ko kung hindi ikaw. No? So let's check here the zodiac sign of your person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Leo, Pisces, Scorpio, Aquarius, baka po Aquarius ito, Sagittarius, Cancer, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Did I just said Sagittarius? Yes. So this is your reading, Aquarius. Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin. Sa kabilang channel po, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience, at nagla-live din po tayo dyan. Pero kung hindi nyo maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Alright? Aquarius, kilalang kilala nyo yung sarili ninyo. Kung feeling ninyo hindi kayo satisfied sa yes or no na sagot, edi dun po kayo mag-check sa ating description box. Meron po dong link ng aking website. Click the link, you're gonna be routed to my website. Sa pinakababang baba po, nandun po yung question form, no? Sa ibaba nyo pa, nandun po yung information, how much per question, nandun po yung name, number, no? And yeah, I mean, that's for your reference. I also created a 4 questions plus 1. That's actually a discounted price, so take advantage of it. If you want to book a personal reading, nandun din po siya sa description box. So Aquarius, tuloy pa rin ang ating manhunt, no? So if you want to win a free personal reading with me, please report those fake accounts na nasa description box, and then screenshot your reports. Send it to the designated email para po pag nagapin natin yan, I'm going to pick up a winner for a free reading, no? So Aquarius, kung hinahanap nyo po itong X-Files, itong mga readings about exes, nandun na po siya sa ating Facebook account. The Facebook account is Babaylan TV, no? Kaya ako po yun nilipat doon para hindi po nag-aaway-away dito sa YouTube. Ayan. So this is your reading, Aquarius. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.